So today, you'll be learning how to enable dark mode on the REDnote app. So the first step is to simply launch the app, and then you want to navigate to your profile. To do that, you want to tap on the Me option in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then under Me, you want to select the settings icon that you currently see on the screen. So it's right here next to Edit Profile. So you just want to tap on it like that. Once you've selected it, you then want to tap on General Settings. And then from here, you should see Dark Mode. Select Dark Mode, and then you can enable Dark Mode in two ways. The first is by using your device settings, which will be the default option. And with this enabled, it means that depending on your device settings, if it's in light mode, REDnote will be in light mode. If your phone is in dark mode, then the REDnote app will also switch to dark mode. Alternatively, you can always choose to just enable dark mode by itself. So disable use device setting and then tap on the toggle next to dark mode, and this will turn on dark mode. So it doesn't really matter what mode your phone is in, whether light or dark, but this will just ensure that REDnote stays in dark mode until you come back and you customize this setting. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer to use to enable dark mode on the REDnote app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.